Hi, this video is going to show you how to take an Excel chart, put it on a new sheet so that you can edit it a little more easily, and then save that new sheet as a PDF. So you have just your chart or graph on its own sheet without all of the tables or background grid lines. So there are just a few steps to do this. First, I'm going to show you how to do this on a PC, and then I'm going to show you just the slight variation that it would take to save on a Macintosh. So I'm going to show you my screen, get us started. So here we have our Excel spreadsheet. The first thing I need to do is I want to make a chart or graph. So highlight my data, just my data. And then I'm going to insert a chart. Since I'm just showing something, I really don't care. So I'm inserting my chart. And if I were going to save this right now, even if I saved it as a PDF looking like this, what someone is going to see is they're going to see all of this data in the background. They're going to see the tiny chart. It's really not going to be a very good communication of the information that you want to convey. So the first step before I start to edit my chart that I really want to make is I'm going to select that chart. And if you are on a PC, you can right click and you can select Move Chart. If you're on a Mac, it's the same thing. You want to make sure you're in the Design tab up here, or sorry, in the Format tab up here. And then you want to just select Move Chart. So it's right over here, this Move Chart location. And then I'm going to select New Sheet. And now my chart is going to be in its own sheet. Makes it a little easier to edit. I can do all of the things that I would want to do to make a much more clear and concise visualization. So when I'm done, I've edited everything and I want to save this for submission to a class, or maybe I want to save it for printing or save it to be able to distribute. I'm not going to want to edit the file anymore, so I want to save it as a PDF so that everybody can see it, not just people who have Excel. So I'm going to take this. Again, on a PC, you're going to just click Save. Oh, sorry, File, Save As. Why I click Save? File, Save As. You do actually want to save the file first, so that's a good thing. And you always want to rename the file when you do the Save As. So File, Save As, and then I'm going to pick a folder that I'm going to save into. And then at the bottom, instead of saving as Excel workbook, I'm going to change that to PDF. And so one of the things that on the Windows version, it's going to save the active tab. So you just need to make sure that the tab that you want saved, which is this chart right here, is the one that's active when you save the PDF. And it's going to show me my finished PDF when I'm done, but it also saved it to my hard drive at the location that I said. So now I have a PDF that is nice, visual, and it doesn't have all that stuff in the background. So on a Mac, there's a slightly different choice. I'm going to show you a screenshot because I don't own a Mac. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we need a new share. So on a Macintosh, when you go and you do File and Save As, so the same steps, File, Save As, you're going to come up here. You should change the name so you know exactly which of the charts it is. And then you save the location. And then you're going to choose PDF from the file format. And you want to make sure you select Sheet. So if you say select Workbook, you're going to again get a PDF of all of the stuff. Right, you just want the sheet, you want just the chart. So again, make sure it's the one that's open, select Save As, change the name, put where you're gonna save it, select file format of PDF, select Sheet, and click Save. So we've talked about moving the chart location. When you're in Excel, move it to a new tab. Once you have it in a new tab, you're going to click File, Save As. In Windows, you're going to save it as a PDF, and as long as that sheet is the one that's up, it will save just that sheet. In a Mac, you're going to do File Save As, and you need to select the file format and then select Sheet and click Save. So now you know exactly how to save your image, your chart as a PDF. Thanks.